Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this video, I'll take you through my journey in rabbit farming, starting with only 10 rabbits and growing to an impressive 5,000. Along the way, I'll share the determination and strategic decisions that fueled this remarkable transformation. Through careful planning and innovative approaches, what began as a modest venture evolved into a thriving business. Join me as I reveal the key steps and lessons learned on this path to success. The decision to pursue rabbit farming began with a thorough exploration of various livestock options. Rabbits stood out due to their rapid reproduction rates, efficient feed conversion, and relatively low space requirements. Market research revealed a growing demand for rabbit meat and byproducts, both locally and in niche markets. Additionally, rabbits are known for their gentle nature and adaptability, making them easier to manage compared to larger animals. These factors combine to make rabbit farming an appealing and potentially profitable venture. Starting with just 10 rabbits, my initial setup was modest but functional. I focused on creating simple housing that provided adequate shelter and ventilation, ensuring the rabbits had a safe and comfortable environment. Feeding routines were straightforward, consisting mainly of fresh greens, hay, and clean water, which I provided twice daily. Early on, I encountered challenges such as managing cleanliness and monitoring the rabbit's health, but these experiences taught me valuable lessons about care and attention. This foundational phase set the stage for future growth and improvements in my rabbit-raising journey. Every journey in animal husbandry comes with its share of challenges. Common obstacles include managing diseases that can quickly spread among livestock, facing threats from predators, and learning from early mistakes that often happen when starting out. These setbacks can be discouraging, but they also provide valuable lessons. By understanding these hurdles, farmers and caretakers become better equipped to protect their animals and improve their practices over time. Scaling up a rabbit population requires careful planning and effective strategies. By implementing selective breeding techniques, I was able to ensure healthy litters and desirable traits. Detailed record keeping played a crucial role, allowing me to track lineage, monitor health, and manage breeding schedules efficiently. Additionally, optimizing available space helped create a comfortable environment for the rabbits, supporting their growth and well-being. These combined efforts contributed to a successful and sustainable increase in my rabbit population. Starting the farm required an initial investment to cover essential startup costs, including equipment, seeds, and infrastructure. As operations began, monthly expenses such as utilities, labor, and maintenance became ongoing considerations. Over time, careful management and strategic decisions led to steady revenue growth, reflecting the farm's expanding capacity and market reach. These financial milestones highlight both the challenges and achievements encountered along the way, offering valuable insights into the economic realities of running a successful farm. Building a customer base began with understanding the needs of local businesses and reaching out directly to restaurant owners. By offering tailored solutions and reliable service, I was able to secure contracts with several establishments in the area. Social media played a crucial role in expanding my reach, as I used targeted posts and engaging content to attract new customers. Through consistent communication and a focus on quality, I gradually developed a loyal following and established a strong presence in the market. SMART-AGRI Hub played a pivotal role in my journey by offering a wealth of advice and inspiration. Through its channel and vibrant community, I was able to connect with like-minded individuals and industry experts. These interactions not only broadened my perspective, but also helped me overcome challenges with practical solutions. The networking opportunities provided by SMART-AGRI Hub proved invaluable, fostering collaborations that enriched my experience and growth in the agricultural sector. Significant investments have been made to upgrade the infrastructure supporting the rabbit population. Modern housing units provide improved comfort and safety, ensuring the well-being of the animals. Advanced feeding systems have been introduced to deliver consistent nutrition efficiently. Automation now plays a key role in daily operations, streamlining tasks and allowing for better management of a growing number of rabbits. These enhancements collectively support a healthier and more sustainable environment for the entire population. Maintaining a productive farm begins with prioritizing the health and nutrition of your animals. A balanced diet ensures that livestock receive all the essential nutrients needed for growth, reproduction, and resistance to disease. Following recommended vaccination schedules helps protect animals from common illnesses, reducing the risk of outbreaks. Regular health checks allow for early detection of potential problems, enabling timely intervention. Together, these practices form the foundation of a healthy and efficient farming operation. Transitioning from solo work to managing a team marked a significant shift in my approach to business. Initially, I handled every task myself, but as demand grew, it became clear that hiring staff was essential. I focused on carefully training new employees to ensure they understood both the technical aspects of the job and the company's values. Delegating responsibilities allowed me to concentrate on strategic decisions while empowering my team to take ownership of their roles. This evolution not only improved efficiency, but also fostered a more collaborative and dynamic work environment. Let's take a closer look at the profitability of raising rabbits. On average, each rabbit can yield a profit of around $10 to $15, depending on factors like feed costs and market prices. If you maintain a small operation with 20 rabbits, your total monthly income could reach $200 to $300. To maximize your returns, focus on efficient feeding practices, maintaining healthy breeding stock, and seeking out reliable buyers. Careful record keeping and regular health checks can also help boost your overall profitability. Reflecting on the journey, several key lessons stand out. Avoiding costly mistakes often comes down to careful planning and learning from past experiences. Embracing innovation has proven essential, opening doors to new opportunities and more efficient solutions. Continuous learning remains a cornerstone, ensuring adaptability in a constantly changing environment. Together, these insights form a foundation for ongoing success and growth. Starting a rabbit farming business can be both rewarding and challenging. For beginners, it's important to begin with a manageable number of rabbits and gradually expand as you gain experience. Consistency in feeding, cleaning, and monitoring the health of your animals is essential for long-term success. Remember, progress may be slow at first, so patience and persistence are key. By staying committed and continuously learning, you'll build a strong foundation for a thriving rabbit farming venture. Looking ahead, I am excited to share my vision for the future of the farm. I plan to expand our operations by introducing new product lines that cater to evolving customer preferences and market trends. Continuous improvements in sustainability and technology will help us enhance both productivity and environmental stewardship. By investing in innovative practices and diversifying our offerings, the farm will remain resilient and responsive to changing demands. These efforts aim to ensure long-term growth and a lasting positive impact on our community. Stay connected with the SMART-AGRI Hub community by subscribing for more insightful content on modern farming. If you have questions or want to learn more about specific agricultural topics, feel free to ask in the comments below. We also encourage you to share your own farming experiences and insights, as your stories can inspire and inform others. Together, we can build a supportive network for everyone passionate about agriculture. Throughout this journey, we've explored the essential steps and insights needed to embark on a successful farming venture. From understanding the importance of planning and resource management to embracing innovation and sustainable practices, each stage offers valuable lessons. The experiences and challenges faced along the way serve as reminders of the dedication and resilience required in agriculture. For those aspiring to become farmers, remember that with knowledge, perseverance, and a passion for growth, your dreams are within reach. Let these key takeaways inspire you to move forward with confidence and determination.